You guys doing? I got this bumper for this Acura. Basically what you have to do, this is a brand new bumper. They usually come like this. This is raw plastic. So what you have to do, what I usually do is I Scotch-Brite it, and then what we're gonna do is clean it. We're gonna clean it up real good. We're gonna put some adhesion promoter, and then we're gonna put sealer on it. And that actually makes it so where your base coat bonds with this plastic, because I know you guys seen it before where it's chipping off from the edges and corners and stuff. That's basically because they didn't put, number one, adhesion promoter, and number two, they didn't seal the bumper. So there's nothing to bond with the plastic and the paint. So what we're gonna do right now is we're actually Scotch-Briting this, and then we're gonna go ahead and blow it off, and then we're gonna go ahead and clean it. And then we're gonna start with the other steps. I'll walk you guys through it step by step so you guys can actually see the proper way to do it so this bumper lasts you about 7 to 10 years. Basically this bumper, it's already been prepped. We cleaned it off. I had a tack rag, I tacked it off so you don't get no lint and stuff on there. This is a adhesion promoter, the second step I was telling you guys to do. And you don't need to pack it on or nothing a whole bunch or make it real wet. You basically just want to fog it on from about that distance. And you'll see the plastic change color. You'll see what you have going on. There's actually there's ones that come in these spray cans, and it's nice because it's a lot easier to use and you don't have to clean up your spray gun. But also too, there is a liquid form that you could put in your spray gun and spray it too. Which one I recommend is, basically I've been using spray can adhesion promoter for a long time, and it's no problems, and it works the same exact thing as when you put in the spray gun. Alright guys, so adhesion promoter has already been on there for about 6 minutes. Flash time basically is like 5 to 10 minutes, so you can spray it on there for, maximum protection. This is sealer, and I know a lot of you guys are used to using sealer in spray guns too. It's the same thing, you can still use this in spray can form. So this one, you do want to make sure you cover a lot more of it. It doesn't have to be super wet on there. Alright guys, check it out. Basically, okay, so the bumper has been Scotch-Brited, it's been cleaned, and I basically put a adhesion promoter. So this is the fourth step. This is actually the sealer. Remember what I was showing you guys? And I know a lot of you guys are using sealer in your spray guns, but it makes pretty much no difference. It's the exact same thing. So you make sure you got pretty good coverage on everything. Make sure you don't drip or have any blotches and stuff anywhere, and you'll be just fine. So what we're doing now is we're gonna give it flash time. We're gonna give it about 5 minutes, and where it looks wet, it's actually gonna dry. And once it's dry, then you're ready to apply your base coat. If you apply your base coat on there while it's still wet, you're gonna have a reaction that's not gonna look very good at all. You're gonna have to redo the whole thing. So 4 steps we've done already. We're gonna get to our 5th one very soon. our 4 steps. This is the base coat. I put 3 coats because as you see it, this color is a lot darker than the gray. If I had a sealer that was a little bit more darker tone, it would have took less paint. But it's actually good and it's nicer to have more paint on there. So this is the base coat. There's 3 coats. I'm going to let it flash for about 5 minutes. And then I'm going to go ahead and spray the clear on there. And how you know it's flashed and dried all the way, guys, you basically do this. You don't want to, of course you don't want to touch a surface. You want to touch a surface that is pretty much hidden, like right about here. See, I'm touching it. See, no paint on my fingers. So it's almost there. I'm going to give it, just to make sure, another 5 minutes, and then I'm going to spray clear on there. All right, guys, check this out. So I got my clear already mixed. I got my clear and my activator. I don't reduce my clear because you can have complications with it, but anyways, I'm not going to get into that right now. So that's enough clear to put about 3 coats of clear on that bumper. So I'm going to go ahead and always make sure you use your filters when you're putting your clear and your paint and stuff in there. So that's what I'm going to do right now. It's already pre-mixed. So this is going to go in here. I always use 2 strainers just in case. You know, it'll catch whatever little lint or, you know, anything that fell in there. Alright, so basically what I'm doing right now, if you're wondering what I did, is I'm outlining it. Because you want to make sure you have clear on all the edges, because you don't want your paint to chip or peel off. So you get all the little crevices, the edges first, and then it's so easy. All you gotta worry is about the face of the bumper. Alright, so we're basically done spraying clear on this. So how we started this bumper off is we Scotch-Brighted it, and then we cleaned it, and then we also put adhesion promoter, then sealer, guys, and then we put the base coat. Remember, 3 coats of base coat, and then it also has 3 coats of clear. As you can see, this is the finished product. It actually looks really good. So this is how your bumpers should last. Like this paint right here should last about 7 years plus.